In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HHLL strategy in TradingView Pro quick and easy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to find the strategy, how to add it to your chart, and how to access its settings so you can start testing and refining it on your own. First, make sure you are logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. The steps will be the same. Once your chart is up, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is where all of TradingView's strategies, scripts, and tools live. Go ahead and click Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies panel. When the panel opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can quickly find anything without scrolling through long lists. Click inside that search bar so it's active, and then type in the name of the tool you want to add. In this case, start typing HHL strategy. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below the search bar. You should now see HHL strategy appear in the list of results. Make sure you select the correct one that matches the strategy you are looking for. Once you see it, simply click on HHL strategy one time. TradingView will immediately apply it to your current chart. You'll notice new markings, labels, or signals appear, depending on how the strategy is designed. That means it has been successfully added. After adding the strategy, the next important step is adjusting the settings so it fits your style of trading. To do this, move your mouse over to the chart legend where the HHLL strategy name is displayed, usually at the top left of the chart. You will see a small gear icon next to the name of the strategy. Click that gear icon to open the settings window. Inside the settings, you can customize inputs such as sensitivity, visual options, and any other parameters the script offers. Take your time here. Make small changes, then click OK and see how they affect your chart. You can always reopen the settings and tweak them again as you test different markets and timeframes. If you do not have TradingView Pro yet and you want access to all the features shown in this tutorial, check out the link in the video description to sign up. Once you are set up, repeat these exact steps and you will be able to add and customize the HHLL strategy on your own charts in just a few seconds.